Hey everybody, FXZ here again with another unboxing video. This time we're going to be doing a microphone I had purchased for pretty much my vlogging. Trying to get an overhead system going, and I wanted some better audio quality. Alright, so let's get started. Right here we've got a SGC-598 recording microphone by Takstar. There's a lot of Chinese writing on here. Applications, it says it's for photography and interview. Saw a review on YouTube regarding the difference between a $25 microphone and a $200 microphone. This one here got on eBay for about 27 bucks. That's with shipping. Some barcode stuff on this side of the box here. Not sure what it all means. It's all Chinese. On the back, again, almost all Chinese. Features: high sensitivity condenser microphone specially designed for camera. Cardio directivity characteristics can effectively reduce ambient noise. Optional plus 10 decibel sensitivity, tone boost, and 200 Hz bass attenuation meet the demand of different applications. Standard connector size for easy connections with camera. Shockproof design can reduce the mechanical noise of cameras and other vibration noise. Rugged alu mic housing features effective EMI resistance. Powered by a 1.5 volt AA alkaline battery. Playtime is up to 100 hours, and there is a low power indicator. This side of the box, designed and manufactured by Guangdong Takstar. Made in China. You can also see this product on Takstar.com, it looks like. Alright, let's open her up, see what we got. Oh wow, it's a pretty nice case or carrying bag it comes with there. Product quality certificate. Product has been inspected and qualified and is allowed to be shipped out. The inspector forgot to sign a date. Okay, hope it works. Features, specifications, operation instructions, caution, standard configurations, button designation. It's where your AA battery goes. Standard jack. Alright, so right here it says number 3, bass filter switch. Turn it on, can reduce ambient noise. And then you have your 0 to 10 decibel switch there. Sensitivity, tone up. And tone up the volume of the microphone. You have your on-off switch here. LED in the back there. Okay, so that's power indicator light there. When it's good, it'll be green. When it's low on charge, it'll turn red. So here's what your microphone looks like under the foam padding. It's the Takstar 5GC-598. Thanks for watching.